Bangladesh Air Force, fighter jets, helicopters, and trainer jets. Fighter jets. Mikoyan, MiG-29, role, multi-role combat aircraft, in service, 8. Chengdu J-7, role, fighter aircraft, in service, 36. Helicopters. MiL Mi-17, role, utility helicopter, in service, 30, on order, 5. Bell, 212, role, utility helicopter, in service, 14. Augusta Westland AW-139, role, search and rescue, in service, 4. Trainer jets. Chengdu, F-7, role, conversion trainer, in service, 11. Yakovlev, Yak-130, role, lead trainer jet, in service, 13. Hongdu, JL-8, role, advanced trainer, in service, 15. L-39, Albatros, role, advanced trainer, in service, 7. Nanchang, PT-6, role, basic trainer, in service, 23. Augusta Westland AW-119, role, rotorcraft trainer, in service, 2. Bell 206, Jet Ranger, role, rotorcraft trainer, in service, 6. On orders. Sukhoi, Su-30, role, multi-role aircraft, on order, 8. Hongdu JL-8, role, advanced trainer jet, on order, 8. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.